Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of online microtasking with a platform that's been changing the game, Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you're looking to earn money online or find cost-effective solutions for your business, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we unravel everything you need to know about Amazon Mechanical Turk. Let's start by clearing up some misconceptions concerning Amazon Mechanical Turk, sometimes known as MTurk. In simple terms, it's an online marketplace that connects individuals and businesses requiring human intelligence tasks with workers, like you, who are ready to complete these tasks. The tasks on MTurk range considerably, from data interpretation and content moderation to surveys and more. It's a hub for microtasking, allowing you to earn money by completing small tasks online. So, why should you consider using MTurk? Well, there are some fascinating advantages you should know about. First off, MTurk offers incredible flexibility. You can set your own hours and work from the convenience of your home. It's perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone looking to make extra income. Secondly, let's talk earnings. While individual tasks might not pay a fortune, the cumulative income can add up over time. And for businesses, MTurk provides a cost-effective way to outsource tasks without the overhead of hiring full-time employees. Let's start you out on your MTurk voyage now, alright. It's easier than you might think. Step 1. Sign up for an MTurk account. It's free and straightforward. Just provide your information, and you're on your way. Next, look into the tasks and hits, human intelligence tasks, that are available. You'll find a wide range of tasks, each with its own set of requirements and payment. Step 3. Complete a task. Once you find a task that interests you, follow the instructions, complete the task, and submit it for approval. Let's review a few crucial pointers to get the most of your MTurk experience before we finish. These pointers can assist you in quickly becoming a good MTurk worker, from picking projects properly to keeping a high approval rate. Well, there you have it, folks. Amazon Mechanical Turk, your gateway to earning money online through microtasking. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or seeking cost-effective solutions for your business, MTurk has got you covered. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our updates. Until next time, happy microtasking.